Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to unbox the Elofic EK-1525, which is a diesel fuel filter, and it is a set of primary and secondary diesel fuel filters. But before we unbox this, let's quickly understand what is a fuel filter and how does a diesel fuel filter work. A diesel fuel filter is a component fitted in the fuel line that screens out the harmful impurities and moistures from the fuel system and helps protect the normal functioning of the diesel engine. Now the diesel fuel filter helps to reduce the wear and tear inside the diesel injectors. Also it avoids clogging of the diesel injectors, which helps in increasing the life of the engine. Now let's quickly understand how does a diesel fuel filter work. The purpose of a diesel fuel filter is to remove foreign particles as well as water. For purification of diesel fuel, either a single filter is used or a combination of primary and secondary filters are used. The need of high filtration arises because of the use of injectors in the engines. These injectors have a very small opening, and to prevent it from getting damaged, the diesel fuel has to be filtered to a larger extent. The primary filter is usually located between the tank and the supply pump, and the secondary filter is located between the supply pump and the injection pump. Now let's quickly check out the contents of this box. So we get a pair of filters, primary and secondary. And two gaskets. Now the one with the cloth finish is called as a chorus filter and is used as a pre-filter in the fueling system. The other one with the paper finish is called as the fine filter and is used as the secondary filter in the fueling system. And then you get the two gaskets to seal them in the canisters. So both of them are used in the tractors, so you get two canisters in the tractors in series of the fueling system. So the primary filter takes in the fuel from the tank, filters it and gives it out from here, which goes in to the second canister, where the fine filter does the second stage of filtration and sends it to the fueling system. Let's pick up the primary filter first. Now this filter uses a high quality cloth material and has an improved coiling design for better filtration. The main function of the primary filter is to remove coarse particles. That is, it helps in removing relatively large dirt particles. The secondary filter is a fine filter having high efficiency filter media. Now this filter ensures that even the finest dirt particle or debris does not pass through into the fuel system. Now you might be wondering, what if you swap the filters and then install it? So the answer is the filtration will still happen, but because you have now fitted the fine filter in place of the primary filter, all the coarse and fine particles will be filtered out by this filter, which means that this filter is going to clog easily and hence you will have to replace them oftenly. So it is always advised to install the correct diesel fuel filter in a correct order for optimum engine performance. These Elofic filters are highly efficient, and the best part is all the components used in these filters are made in-house and all are environment friendly. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Consider Elofic fuel filters for best performance of your vehicle. Stay tuned to our channel for more such informative videos.